research was coming out that very large percentages of the workforce were actually claiming burnout. So the numbers across Australia about 2 years ago were sitting just under 50%, which is such a wake-up call for many of us to think that half of our workforce was self-reporting burnout. Now, those numbers have just started to drop a little bit in the last year, so we're currently sitting at about 38%, but it's still so significantly high. So where are we today, right now, towards the end of 2024? The term resenteeism has been dubbed, and I think this is a really interesting one. What it basically reflects is that employees are happy to stay where they're employed. Job security is actually more important now than ever before because there's been so many organizational changes and the economy's been quite tough in many industries. However, they're resenting their employers. And what they're resenting is that many leaders are trying to get people back into the office on a more permanent basis. And they're basically saying, well, I've proven to you that I can work from home. What are you doing trying to get me back? And they're also resenting the fact that they're working harder in their minds and not necessarily getting rewarded or remunerated for that. So it's been a really interesting journey, but in summary, where we are today is a good percentage of the workforce, leaders and team members, are all claiming that they're experiencing burnout.